everyone. It's 3:47 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 9:47 ng gabi. So ngayon guys, nagluto ako ng ginataang gulay. So yung halo ko sa gulay guys is kalabasa, dabong, sitaw, tapos zucchini, and alugbati. So eto guys, ang aking napakasarap na ulam guys. Grabe guys. Tapos sinalong ko siya ng pritong galunggong at pasayan. And of course guys, rice is life. So eto guys, tikman na natin guys ang napakasarap na ulam ko guys. Kalabasa dabong guys. Grabe, ang sarap-sarap nung guys. Init guys. Luto na to guys. Look guys, oh. Kalabasa dabong. Ang sarap guys. Kain tayo guys. Bye.